You guys are not ready for what's about to go down. We've got a JDM V8 VIP horsepower showdown. We got the Cima, we got the Celsior, we got the President. Let's see what happens when we strap them down on the dyno and see what kind of power they make. Ladies and gentlemen, our first car of the day of this video is this mean, clean Y33 Cima. This is my personal, I'd have to say my favorite VIP car ever. These cars came with the VH41DEs, which this one's equipped with, which is the V8. It's a 4.1 liter V8. Or they could come with the VQ30 DET, which is a single turbo V6. But this car is equipped with the V8, obviously. And I cannot wait to see how much power they make. They always feel great on the road. They always look great, as you can see. This one's equipped with 19-inch Leon Hardits. It's got BC coilovers. And this one also has a Momo wood grain steering wheel as well. So I cannot wait to see what this bad girl makes on the dyno. Let's go see. As you guys just saw, this bad girl just made some horsepower. It made 185 horsepower and 206 foot-pounds of torque. Now, it's not anything impressive, but I dynoed all of these cars in second gear just to keep it consistent. That's not quite the one-to-one. One-to-one is third gear, but I wanted the video and the pool to look nice and tight for you guys, so I went ahead and did it in second gear. If we did it to one-to-one, it'd probably be around 220, 215 if I had to say. So it has enough to get itself out of its own way. I love this thing. This has to be my favorite car. Now I'm biased, but this car is for sale too. So if you guys are looking for one, hit us up. But let's see what the next car makes. We got this UCF 20. They are also known as 21s. The 21s came with air, but this is a prime example in white. She's rocking a set of Leon Hardit 19-inch wheels and some BC coilovers. We install them when they come in. This, of course, is a JDM car, so it's right-hand drive. These cars also came in the States, known as Lexus LS400s. But like I said before, this is JDM version. Whether it's a Lexus or Toyota, it rocks a 1UZ FE. Very capable platform. A lot of people turbo them. You can leave them in A and do high compression. Very capable platform. Let's see what it makes on the dyno. So this bad girl made 190 horsepower in second gear. That second gear pulls. Technically the 1-to-1 is third gear, but I wanted to keep the dyno short and sweet for you guys. Made 190 in second gear, so if the math's about correct, it's gonna be around 220 to the 1-to-1, so not that bad. Definitely has enough to get up and out of its own way, and it definitely sounds good if anybody puts an exhaust on it. As you can see, it's a beautiful looking 4-cam V8, 4-liter, great engine. Let me go ahead and close this for you guys. Just take one more look at her. I swear, one of the best looking ones ever. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. Last but certainly not least, we've got this beautiful JG50 President Nissan. This thing is awesome. So this thing is equipped with the V8 45 DE. The Cima has a 41 DE, so this one is slightly bigger at a 4.5 liter V8. This car is so sick. This is the first one we've ever had. And the J in the chassis code means that it's a longer chassis. So if you look at this back door is massive. And if you like, hence the name, it's a President. This thing is meant to carry people around. All the gadgets and cool Nismo stuff inside it's awesome. But let's see what kind of power she puts down. As you guys saw and heard, this thing sounds super girthy on the dyno. It was definitely interesting being in the driver's seat on the dyno. It made 155 horsepower, woo, and 190 foot-pounds of torque. Definitely not the most powerful one out of the bunch, but most definitely can get you out of the way. She's a heavy girl, so she needs a V8, but let's go do our final review. So, just a little recap. The Y33 Cima made 185 horsepower and 206 foot-pounds of torque. Not as much as a Celsior, but I've got to say it's still my favorite looking car. The Celsior made 190 horsepower and 217 foot-pounds of torque. And the President made 155 horsepower and 189 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I guess technically the Celsior won, woo, but I still like the Cima better. You guys comment down below. Let us know which one you like the best. And I do say it's a great trio. All V8s, sounds good. Put a little clip together, all the V8 sounds. But just let us know what you guys want to see in the future. All of these cars are going to be for sale here soon. The President's going to get the VIP treatment, and we all cannot wait. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys back next time.